Hello friends, uh, today I'm going to introduce multiplication of two-digit numbers with base 30, 40 and so on. Now base 30, if you want to multiply 31 into 32, uh, first how much is greater 1? This is 2. Now multiply these two, that is 2. Now add crosswise, that is 31 plus 2 is 33. 33 into 3 times means base tens digit is 3, so 3 times, like base 20 and 22. If we use 20 base, then 2 ones are 2, 21 plus 2, that is 23, 23 to the 46, like this. Here we have to multiply by 3. Now 33 threes are 99, so this is the answer. Similarly for base 40, 41 into 42, 2 ones are 2, and 41 plus 2 is 43. 43 into 4 times, 4 threes are 12, 1 4 fours are 16 and 17, that is 172. But when we goes 51 into 52, it become difficult to multiply 5 times, to make 5 times. For this, another method we used. For that, first you have to learn how to multiply digits, two-digit number near to 100. Multiplication of two-digit number near to 100. Well, suppose 98 into 99. Sorry, 98 into 99. Here base is 100, two zeros. Same method, how much is less than 100? That is 2. Here we use less than. How much is less than 100? 1. That we put minus 2 and minus 1. When we multiply minus 2 with minus 1, it becomes 2. But base is 100, two zeros here. We have to make this two-digit number. How? Put 0 in front of it. So it's 0, 2. Now subtract. Here we have to subtract. 98 minus 1 is 97. 99 minus 7 is 99 minus 2 is also 97. So answer is 9702. Suppose you have to multiply 97 with 96. Now it is 3 less than 100. This is 4 less than 100. Base is 100. Now 3 4s are 12. It is already two-digit number. We put 12 here because two digits. We have to see how many zeros are there. If it is here 2 is 2 ones are 2 is single digit, we have to make it two-digit number by put 0 in front of it. Now it is already two-digit number, so no need to add 0 in front of it. Subtract 97 minus 4 is 93. This is answer. Now suppose 95 into 98. This is minus 5. This is minus 2. 5 2s are 10. Put 10. 95 minus 2 is also 93. 98 minus 5 is also 93. Put 93 in front. Now multiplication of two-digit number that is greater than 100. Suppose you have to multiply 101 with 102. Now same concept, base is 100, two zeros. How much is greater than 100? That is 1. How much is greater than 100? That is 2. Multiply 1 with 2 is 2. So we have to put 0, 2 and add. Now we have to add. This is 103. 102 plus 1 is 103. Now shortcut of this, 101 plus 102. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. 0, 2. 101 plus 102, that is 103. Now suppose 103 into 104, that is plus 3 plus 4. 3 4s are 12. It is already two-digit number, so no need to add 0. 103 plus 4 is 107. 104 plus 3 is 107. Shortcut, 4 3s are 12. 103 plus 4 is 107. Now base 40 and base come back to near to 50. That means 48 into 49. Yes. This is how much less? 2. This is how much less? 1. Base is 50. I can write 50 is equal to 100 upon 2. Again, base 50, we use base 100 by 2. That is 100 by 2 means 2 zeros. 2 ones are 2. We put 0 2 because base is 100 by 2. Now 48. First of all, take some simple. 46. That is 4 2s are 8. 0 8. Now 4 2s are 8. 0 8 because base is 100 by 2. 48 minus 4. That is 44. Now base is 100 by 2, but we are using here base 50. So 44 divided by 2 is 22. We put 22 in front of. Again, see again. 44 into 46 or 42. How much is less? This is 6. This is 8. Now 8 6 are 48. Already 2-digit number. No need to add 0. Here we have to add 0 because 4 2 is 8. Single digit. Base is 100 by 2. So 4 6 4s are 48. 48. Now subtract 44 from 8. That is 36. 42 minus 6 is also 36. Now base is 100 by 2. Divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. That is 18. We have to put in front of it. Now in some cases like 47 into 48. Minus 3 minus 2. 3 2s are 0 6. Now 47 minus 2 is 45. When we divide 45 by 2, the answer is in fraction. Yes, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 1 by 2. 22 1 by 2. So what we have to do? We put 22 here and 1 by 2 means base is 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is 50. We have to add 50 here. 6 5 2 2. Again one more example of like this. 49 into 48. Minus 1 minus 2. 1 2s are 2. That is 0 2. Now if we subtract this, this becomes 47. Subtract this, this is also 47. Now 47 divided by 2 is 23 and a half. We put 23 here and we add 50 here. That is 2 5 3 2. Now again base 50, that is more than 50. 52 into 53. Again base is 100 by 2. This is plus 2. This is plus 3. 3 2s are 606. 52 minus 3 is 49. This minus plus, we have to plus. 52 plus 3 is 55. 53 plus 2 is 55. Divided by 2, again 27 and a half. Now put 27 here and add 50 here. That is 2706. Now if you want to multiply, now suppose question is 88 multiply by 99. This is minus 12. This is minus 1. This is 12 ones are 12. That is 2-digit number. We have to put 12 here. 2-digit number already. Base is 100. Now this minus is 87. This minus is also 87. Answer is 870. Next is multiplication of 2-digit number near to 1000. That is 998 into 999. Again base is 1000. 3 zeros here. Now this is minus 2. It is 2 less than 1000 and this is 1 less than 1000. Multiply these two, is answer is 2, but base is 1000. We have to put 2 zeros here because we have to make it 3-digit number. 200. 98 minus 1 is 998 minus 1 is 997. Simple. Next is 997 into 995. This is minus 3, this is minus 5. 5 3 is a 15. It is 2-digit number. We have to make it 3-digit number by putting 0 in front of it. 0 1 5. 997 minus 5 is 992. 995 minus 3 is also 9. This is your answer. Now practice these questions like 99 into 97, 98 into 95, or 107 into 108, 112 into 113. See this is plus 12, this is 113. Now 12 into 13 we have done, that is 2 3 is a 6, 156. Now we need 2-digit number here, 56, 1 carry. Then 12 plus 113 is 125. 125 plus 1 is 126. So answer is 126. So this 12 into 13 with base 10. So we use these techniques in these bigger questions also. Thank you. Have a nice day.